This is Mommy, your kid, Alwa. We're going to do math around the house.
We're going to do math around the house. So, here's the problem. Woo, Ollie! Woo, baby! We're going to solve 4 times 8. So, Lincoln, what do we do when we're doing math scavenger hunts around the house? What do we do?
We do 1, 2, 3. We do red.
So,
yellow,
what do we
yellow.
do? What do we do when we're looking around the house? What do we look for?
We look for rainbow colors.
We look for different things that are different colors. So here we have 4 times 8. So Lincoln, I'm gonna find 8 blue things and green things, 8 blue things, 8 green things, and can you find 8 orange things, 8 red things?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do you want to count us down, Lincoln? So I'm finding 8 blue and 8 green. Lincoln, you're finding 8 yellow and 8 red. All right, tell me when to go.
1.
Say on your mark.
I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go!
Let's go! Hurry! Put that in the water break. Water break.
Your kid is the winner. Your kid is the winner. Your kid wins.
Lincoln won. All right, so Lincoln, when we look for all of our stuff, we're looking at the math problem 4 times 8. So we should have 4 groups of 8. Can you show me? All right, let's start counting. Can you start counting your first group of oranges? 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. So that's our first group. If we keep going, and count our red things too, how much do we have with 2 groups of 8? So start with 8. So 9,
No,
9, just 10,
1, 9, 10, 8,
11,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18,
16. We have 2 groups of 8 is 16. Let's count mommy's stuff. So if we keep going, we're at 16. So let's count my green stuff first. Well, let's start with 16. So what comes after 16? 17.
18, 19,
Doggy ate that one. 20. 20.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Hold on, stop it there a second. So 3 groups of 8 is 24. So 4 groups of 8. Let's get going. 25.
26, 27, 28, 29,
30.
30,
31.
31,
30.
2.
32. So if we have 4 groups of 8, Lincoln, how many do we have in all? 30. 32. Everyone say 32. Say 32. So 4 times 8 is, what is it, Lincoln? 30?
30.
32. 32. Hope you know how to multiply with groups now.
PJs!
PJs!